Hey guys, today I am going to add balloons in the pink and gold birthday party scene. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any gold or pastel pink balloons, so I decided to just use any pink balloon that I could find. Don't forget to check out the materials in the description box below. First, cut a thin wire or a floral wire between 10 to 15 centimeters long and then straighten them if they are not. Use a white acrylic paint and paint the wire. Add a second coating to ensure a nice result. And then after painting, set it aside to dry. Next, take the round styrofoam and the water balloon. Cut the lip of the balloon because this will make the neck easier to stretch. Stretch the balloon with your fingers and slide the styrofoam ball inside. Don't forget to smoothen the balloon with your fingers. Next, pull the neck of the balloon until all parts of the styrofoam is inside. Take the painted wire and insert this to the styrofoam. Cut a short length of string and tie this around the neck of the balloon. Then cut the excess string. And then I just tied all the balloons together. Next, I'm going to make a pot where I'm going to put the balloon. I have made a pot tutorial before, and if you want to check it out, just go to the link in the description box. So here I just covered the cup with an air drying clay. And then I gradually smoothen it out with my fingers, but I didn't make it like really perfect. I just tried to make it as smooth as I can. And then after you cover the cup, you can set it aside to dry. So depending on your clay, it might take a while to dry. Then I am going to use a pearl effect pen, and I just added a simple design here. You can use a pencil first to draw your design, and if you are confident enough, you can also just go directly without, drawing on it. I don't know the other name of this pen, but here we call it pearl effect pen. It has a small nozzle which allows you to work on fine details. And here's how it looks like. Next, I added a filler on the bottom of the cup. Actually, it doesn't matter what filler you're going to use. You can use paper, styrofoam, or sand. It doesn't really matter. And then you can add the air dry clay on top of the filler. Then I added the balloons before the air dry clay dries. And lastly, you can add another decoration on the top of the air dry clay. As for me, I am using an oblong shaped golden beads to cover the clay. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I wish you success on your miniature project. Bye bye and see you next week.